This is the video guide dedicated to help you in getting rid of the browser hijacker called easytowatchtvnow.com. easytowatchtvnow.com. Some people notice that their browser got hijacked and now it gets changed often. For instance, easytowatchtvnow.com may appear in the home page, or it may come up in every new browser tab. Additionally, whenever people submit certain search queries, they may get the results surprisingly by some safer browser, Yahoo Search. Yahoo Search has nothing to do with that. It's just that this easytowatchtvnow.com service steals the results from Yahoo Search, plus it may add some of its sponsored links on top of the search results in order to generate the revenue for its developers. easytowatchtvnow.com is a hijacker and a potentially unwanted application. That's because it is often integrated with some free programs, so people tend to install it unintentionally. If you have noticed that somehow your Google Chrome got changed and now you see this easytowatchtvnow.com, go to the menu, click on More Tools, then select Extensions. So now you need to disable and delete any unfamiliar browser extensions that you find here. Disable and remove the extension if necessary. Basically, disabling the extension should be sufficient enough. However, I would also recommend you to check the safety of your Mac device with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software and start examining your system with this application to make sure that there are no any other malware or adware remnants on it. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. In my case it was in the premium mode, but you'll see a pretty similar picture with the trial mode of Combo Cleaner. The program gives you the report about threats found. You may go to the antivirus section, click on review results. So as you can clearly see, this is the list of all threats that were found during the scanning. How to get rid of these threats manually? Of course, you can see the location of specific threat, plus you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you the location of the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other threats and get rid of these threats manually. Or, of course, you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.